If you've ever tried making fresh juice at home, you probably know the struggle. Tiny feed chutes that force you to chop everything into frustratingly small pieces, pulp everywhere, and juice that doesn't taste as vibrant as it does in the store. It's exhausting, and honestly, it can make you rethink even starting a daily juicing habit. That's exactly the problem the Godspeeds Juicer Machine is designed to solve. This cold press, slow masticating juicer promises minimal prep, maximum juice, and cleanup that doesn't feel like a second job. Perfect for busy families or anyone serious about getting fresh nutrients every day. Right out of the box, this juicer makes a strong first impression. It's built with a 5.8-inch wide feed chute that can handle whole apples, cucumbers, oranges, and other large fruits without chopping. That alone saves a ton of prep time, especially on hectic mornings. The design is clean and modern, with a compact footprint that fits easily on most kitchen counters. It feels sturdy, with a solid base that doesn't wobble during use. The removable filter and components are thoughtfully designed to resist pulp buildup, which makes cleanup surprisingly simple, something I know most people dread about juicing. Using the Godspeed juicer feels intuitive from the first try. The slow masticating technology crushes fruits and vegetables gently, which minimizes heat and oxidation. In practical terms, that means the juice tastes fresher and retains more of the natural texture and nutrients. Leafy greens like kale or spinach yield a smooth, vibrant green juice without leaving behind soggy pulp, and softer fruits like oranges or berries blend into a silky consistency rather than separating into layers. The 300-watt motor provides steady power, so even dense vegetables like carrots or beets go through the machine smoothly, without the loud whining or stalling you sometimes get with cheaper juicers. Another real-world benefit is the minimal cleanup. The removable filter and pulp container rinse clean in seconds under running water. No soaking or vigorous scrubbing required. This is a big deal because if you dread cleaning your juicer, you're less likely to use it consistently. Here, Godspeed Air S clearly designed for daily life. It's fast to assemble, easy to operate, and just as easy to disassemble and clean afterward. Of course, there are trade-offs to consider. While the 5.8-inch chute handles most large fruits, extremely oversized items might still need a small cut. The juicer is slower than a traditional centrifugal model, which is the nature of cold press, masticating machines. That said, the trade-off is worth it for anyone prioritizing nutrient retention, taste, and less foam in their juice. Also, the 300W motor is powerful enough for typical household use. But if you're trying to juice very large quantities at once, it might feel a bit slower than a commercial model. When compared to similar juicers in the same price range, the Godspeeds Juicer stands out. Many budget juicers force you to chop everything into small pieces and leave a lot of pulp, and higher-end models often come with a steep price tag and complicated assembly. Godspeed balances convenience, performance, and affordability. It delivers high juice yield, preserves flavor, and makes cleanup easy, all without feeling like a premium model that's hard to justify buying. In short, it's a machine that works well for busy households, health-conscious individuals, or even as a thoughtful gift for someone looking to kickstart a healthy routine. So, who should consider this juicer? If you're a home cook who wants to integrate fresh juice into your daily routine without spending extra time chopping or scrubbing, this machine is perfect. Families who want quick, nutrient-rich drinks for kids and adults alike will appreciate the large feed chute and consistent juice yield. On the other hand, if you're only looking to juice once in a while, or you don't mind spending extra time on prep, a simpler or smaller juicer could suffice. But for regular use, especially with a variety of fruits and vegetables, this machine makes the process effortless. Overall, the Godspeed Juicer Machine earns a solid 9.5 out of 10. It's thoughtfully designed, performs reliably, and fits seamlessly into real-world kitchen routines. It won't replace industrial juicers, but for a home setup, it offers convenience, flavor, and consistency that's hard to beat at this price point. If you want to check the latest price or see if there's a deal, the link is in the description. And if this review helped you decide whether this juicer is right for your kitchen, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch more honest reviews of kitchen gadgets that actually make life easier. With the Godspeeds Juicer, daily fresh juice can finally feel simple, quick, and delicious.